Hello! I am a square, a shape with 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Hello! I am a triangle, a shape with 3 sides and 3 angles which can vary, e.g. equilateral, isosceles, or scalene. Hello, I am a rectangle, a shape with opposite sides equal and 4 right angles. Hello, I am a circle, a round shape with no corners or edges defined by a center point and a radius. Hello, I am an oval, an elongated circle sometimes called an ellipse. Hello, I am a star, a shape with points radiating outward, often 5 or 6 pointed. Hello, I am an heart, a shape resembling the typical symbol of a heart, with 2 curves at the top and a point at the bottom. Hello, I am a diamond, a shape often associated with a rotated square with 4 equal sides but at an angle. Hello, I am a crescent, a shape resembling a partial moon with a curved outer edge and a concave inner edge. Hello, I am a pentagon, a 5-sided polygon which can be regular or irregular. Hello, I am a rhombus, a 4-sided shape with all sides equal in length and opposite angles equal. Hello, I am an hexagon, a 6-sided polygon, often regular with all sides and angles equal. Hello, I am an octagon, an 8-sided polygon, often seen in stop signs. Hello, I am a trapezium, a 4-sided shape with at least 1 pair of parallel sides. Hello, I am a parallelogram, a 4-sided shape with opposite sides parallel and equal.